All right, so I want to show you this. You have two screens actually. We have a hot tub with two screens. Absolute love them. Bought it 2 years ago when we bought the house. When we put the hot tub in, we're like, well, you know what? It'd be cool to put this in the covered and the privacy, but you still can kind of see out because you can kind of see out, but it's good privacy. Mostly for over here when you're in the hot tub, it kind of blocks everything. Also blocks the wind when it's coming through. It does go through the wind, but it's good. Now check this out. So you lower it down, and then it has these ball clips. It's just elastic on with a ball at the end. It just clips right in there, and then you tighten it up so it stays. It's good to go. Quality product, never had any issues with it. And then for raising and lowering, for this one, for both of these is manual. So it's here, it just hangs. It can come off. Hold on. There. It can come off. It's just got a little hook on the end. So I just keep it on there and keep it straight, and never had any issues. 40-mile winds, all the kind of heavy winds, torrential downpours, all the thing never came off. And then you just twist it like that, spin it, put it up, put it down. High winds, put them up. Other than that, grab this thing. You'll not go be sorry. These things are awesome. Just spend some money and grab some.